Alright, here we go. Next song featuring Servo and Tiny One. Here we go. You guys ready?
Ready.
Alright. Beep, I'm a sheep. I said beep, beep, I'm a sheep. Beep, beep, I'm a sheep. I said beep, beep, I'm a sheep. Beep, beep, I'm a sheep. I said beep, beep, I'm a sheep. Beep, beep, I'm a sheep. I said beep, beep, I'm a sheep. Yeah! Now some of you might be wondering, how exactly does one beep, beep like a sheep? Take it away, Gabe. Step 1, throw your hands up, then point them to the floor. Step 2, here's what to do. Now get down on all fours. Step 3, just bounce around. It's easy. Follow me. Step 4, go crazy now and beep beep like a sheep. Beep beep, I'm a sheep. I said beep beep like a sheep. Beep beep, I'm a sheep. I said beep beep, I'm a sheep. Beep beep, I'm a sheep. I said beep beep, I'm a sheep. Beep beep, I'm a sheep. I said beep beep, I'm a sheep. Beep beep beep. I say what you got to say. What? That beep. I say beep beep, I'm a sheep. Beep beep. I say you got to. Beep beep. I say beep beep like a sheep. Yeah. So you know how to beep beep like a sheep, I see. But is that all you can do? Yeah. Step 1, throw your hands up and point them to the sky. Step 2, drop them to the floor and move from side to side. Step 3, just bounce around. Come on, I'll show you how. Step 4, go crazy now and meow meow like a cow. Meow meow, I'm a cow. I say meow meow, I'm a cow. Meow meow, I'm a cow. You say meow meow, I'm a cow. Meow meow, I'm a cow. I say meow meow, I'm a cow. Meow meow, I'm a cow. I say meow meow, I'm a cow. Beep beep beep. I say you got to beep beep. I say beep beep. I'm a sheep. Beep beep. I say you've got to beep beep. I say beep beep like a sheep. Beep beep. Heck yeah, dude.